All right, welcome to level 15 of lesson 1. Our goal is to build your own app by extending this project, then share it with someone. How? Decide what type of app you're interested in building, then go build it by adding more screens, buttons, text, sound, and user interactions to your app. There's a few more blocks in the toolbox that you can experiment with as well. Once you're done with share, Once you're done, click share to send it to yourself or a friend. All right, so there's a couple of different ideas here. There's a choose your own adventure. There's a greeting card idea, and then there's a personality quiz idea. So normally I would walk you through the levels except for the assessment level. And I feel like this is going to be a good assessment. This is going to be a good grade for my class. So I'm going to pause here. I've read the directions. You can also see examples over here of what these could look like. And then I'm going to let you go and play with this. And this is going to be a grade for my kiddos. So good luck, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. All right, when you're done with that, you're going to click on the finish button. Oh, wait, is there a finish button? I don't see one. So I guess that's right. When you're done, you're going to share it. So share it with me, and then I'll get to see it, and you'll get a grade, and you will be done with this lesson. All right. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Ciao.